Hey guys, in this video let's check out these two cases which I have got for my AirPods which I recently bought. These are really essential for the AirPods since they get a lot of scratches on them during our daily use. So let's get into the video. What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. I'm Sagar. On every Friday I come up with new videos on topics like unboxing, reviews related to tech, movies and web series, DIY, self-help, hauls and travel related videos. If you like watching this kind of stuff, subscribe to the channel down below and click on the bell icon so that you get notified whenever a new video is up. Hey guys, these are the two cases which I got for my AirPods. This is the grey case and the black case. Now let's try them onto the AirPods. But before trying them, let me tell you, these are from the brand Ilago. It is a California based brand which is known for its variety of products like cases and covers for phones and accessories like AirPods and Apple Watches. So finally we have got them out. These cases are made up of silicone rubber and they do feel pretty smooth on the surface. Let's put the AirPods in. We can see the AirPods slide in pretty smoothly and even the cap fits very well. This is how the case looks on the AirPods. We have a gap on the side so we'll have to cover it up. Though these cases look smooth, they provide a pretty good grip to hold on. At the bottom we have an opening for the charging port so that we can charge the AirPods. And at the back we have a depression for the button so that we get to know whenever we are pressing it. So that's it for the case. You do get a hanger which can be used to hang these cases to your trouser. Let's check the black case now. Again, it's the same unboxing procedure. Now they are finally out of the cover. Both the cases are exactly similar to each other and I would recommend you to buy these cases for your AirPods because they are made up of premium quality silicone rubber and they do come with a hanger which can be used to hang these cases to your pants instead of putting them into your pockets. That's it for the video. I hope you liked it and it was helpful to you. If you liked it, do give it a thumbs up and make sure you subscribe to the channel down below. I'll see you again with a new video on the coming Friday. Bye.